Welcome to our tutorials for today. Today we are going to be looking at a particular question in mathematics. The question says solve sin p equals to 3 over 5 and p is an acute angle. What is the value of tan p? So the first thing we always do is to write our solution. And do not forget that this is a wire question. So we have here, there's a hint here given to us that sin p is equals to 3 over 5. So the first thing you have to do is, since we have the angle given is an acute angle, so we'll draw our angle first. Draw our angle. Okay. So if it is an acute angle, we have a hint, an acute angle, meaning that it is less than 90 degrees. So we can have something like this. So, and then we have that sin p, so our angle here is p, and then we know that sine, or you have your sin theta, is the same thing as opposite over hypotenuse. So that is to say that since we have given to us as sin p is equals to 3 over 5. So this 3 is for the opposite, and where the angle faces is your opposite. So we have here as 3, and then we have this side which is our hypotenuse, that's the longest side, which is 5. So this is what we have. So the next thing is to get this the value of this line. And so we can always have this line as let's call here x. So we're going to apply Pythagoras theorem, which says that the square on the longest side is equals to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. So we have here 5 squared is the same thing as 3 squared plus x squared. So if we have this 5 squared, the same thing as 25, the same thing as 3 squared here is 9 plus x squared. So what we do is we do collection of like terms, which should be 25 minus 9 equals x squared. So we can swap them. X squared is the same thing as 25 minus 9 is 16. So what we do next is to take the square root of both sides. Now when we take the square root of both sides, we're going to be having 4 as our answer. So this x now is now 4. Now we have our 4 here, therefore it is stated now, or we have gotten that our shape is now like this. So we have here as 3, we have here as 5, and we have here as 4 here. And don't forget angle P. So we can now get that what is the value of tan. So tan is given as, that's the value of tan P. So tan is the same thing as tan, let's say tan P is going to now be equals to, tan is the same thing as opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent is tan. So opposite, which is 3, over adjacent, which is 4. Now we have gotten our answer. This is the answer to this question. Tan P is the same thing as 3 over 4. Thank you for watching, and do not always forget to like, to share and subscribe. And don't forget, understanding connects us to the world.